So I'm watching a video by Jungle Surfer TV about Hitler, and he starts off suggesting that Hitler's mom is a male, and therefore not his mother, but a male passing himself as a she. Very interesting, right? But now let's connect that. So what he's suggesting is that maybe Adolf Hitler is actually a woman. And I know this may offend a lot of you Hitler fanboys who think that elite transgenderism is only a Jew thing, but no. Looks like your poster boy here might be a poster girl. And I found this article about his sex life, or lack thereof, and it had something very strange. Two things. One, it says his biographer went on to say something about his, well, when he was seen naked, he was afraid of being seen naked because he had a genital abnormality. They do say proof of one testicle. You may have heard about that in penile hypospadias, in which the urethra opens up on the other side of the penis. In other words, he had a V. I mean, it's obvious, and it even says here, his personal doctor, Theodor Morell, diagnosed the fuhrer with hypospadias and had prescribed him with hormones and amphetamines. I mean, what do you think about that? Hitler has one ball. This has been a long-running joke. No, he has none. Hitler's a girl. And for those of you Hitler fanboys, let's just take a moment and critically evaluate what we're looking at here. Definitely very hippie. I would say that the hips are wider than the shoulders. Not very masculine. Do you see enough room for one head on each side? And that's just, let's just compare that to a man's shoulders, just to give you an idea of proportions. Okay, this is what a male looks like. This is your average male, and their shoulders are definitely broad enough to accommodate one width of the head. And in his case, that is not at all. Hitler's proportions are very, very consistent with the female form. The chubby cankles, the whole picture says to me, woman, combined with what we know about the fact that, yeah, he's been medically diagnosed as having non-male parts and requiring hormone therapy. I wouldn't be surprised if that mustache was glued on, to be quite honest. So you make of that what you will.